Hi, today I'm making Russian cabbage soup with smoked bacon. To do this, we will need boiled potatoes, cabbage, onions, carrots. There is a lot of bacon in this package, so I divided it into 2 parts and put one part in the freezer of the refrigerator until the next time. While the potatoes are cooking until soft, I slice the bacon and send it to roast. Stir the bacon as it roasts in the pan. Next, I chop the onion and carrot. I add the vegetables to the bacon when it is slightly browned. I fry everything together. I load the chopped cabbage into a saucepan. Fill it with water and leave it to boil until ready. I check the readiness of the potatoes with a knife so that it gently enters the potatoes. I take out the potatoes and knead them to a semi-mashed state. I add it to the soup when the cabbage is cooked until tender. I add salt and seasoning to taste, pepper, nutmeg, turmeric for a golden hue. Enjoy your meal.